channel. So today's wig is from Asteria hair, and this is their kinky straight hair. So they sent me this wig in the length 22 inches, 150 density, but guys, this hair feels like it's 180 density, obviously because it's kinky hair. Kinky hair is quite textured, it's more like your relaxed hair, so obviously because of that it is quite full. Like, I really like this. I love this hair. It's so soft and fluffy as well. That's the thing I really like about it. So when it comes to the lace, this is their Swiss lace, so which means it is pretty thin. And to install this wig today, all I literally used was my Afroji hair mousse, and I literally just sprayed it on the lace and just tied it down with my elastic band, and that's literally all I did, guys, no lie. So today I'm just going to be showing you how I obviously got this hairstyle. And I must say, when it came to straightening the hair as well, like, the hair straightened out so easily, like no stress. Yeah, so I don't really have anything bad to say about this wig. I'm going to make sure to leave all the links that you guys need to know down below, so please make sure you check the description box for everything you need to know, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. Be my chauffeur, be my chauffeur. You know today we will talk too much. Actions speak louder than words. Baby, you have to love. Ready and low, here I come. You can hide it. I will find you and make you lose control. Make your body say yeah. I got the candles lit and petals on the floor. If you think you're dreaming, baby, you will dream some more. Dreaming, girl. I'll ride for you. I'll never, baby. Give it all to you. Give it all to me. All to you. It's your body too hot. Can I get the touch? Yeah. It's your body too hot. Can I get the touch? Yeah. Can I get the touch?
Can I roll with you, girl?
Said he want to roll with me, yeah. Baby, can you go with me? Baby, can you go with me? Can you roll with me, yeah? Yeah. The way you love me, say yeah. The way you're touching me, say yeah. Make your body say yeah. So the drivers want to watch it, 'cause the drivers want to watch, yeah. Oh.
One time, yeah.
Murder, got me screaming murder. Murder, 'cause you're killing me. Big boy, you could be my lover. Show you things that you never heard of, baby. I know you want to go downtown.
Go down, baby.
I can tell the way you date, I mean you want it now. Champagne dripping on his wristwatch. Partition roll low, 'cause the drivers want to watch. I'm on day break night, chilling in my cup. But he want to lick up, drinking all the liquor, baby. Pain dripping on his wristwatch. Partition roll low, 'cause the drivers want to watch. I'm on day break night, chilling in my cup. But he want to lick up, drinking all the liquor, baby. Said he want to roll with me, yeah. Baby, can you go with me? Can you roll with me, yeah? The way you love me, say yeah. The way you're touching me, say yeah. Make your body say yeah. Whoa. Come over here, come and ginger me, yes. Oh yeah, heat it up for me, yes. 'Cause I know you got the recipe, yeah. Nobody gonna do the thing that you do. Come and take this ride. Be my chauffeur. Be my chauffeur. You know today we will talk too much. Actions speak louder than words. Baby, you have to love. Ready and low, here I come. You can hide it. I will find you and make you
your body say yeah. I got the candles lit and petals on the floor.
Petals on the floor.
If you think you're dreaming, baby, you will dream some more.
I'm dreaming, girl.
I'll ride for you. I'll die for you, baby. Give it all to you.
Give it all to
All
me.
to you. It's your body too hot. Can I get a touch? Yeah. It's your body too hot. Can I get a touch? Yeah. Can I get a touch?
Oh yeah. Can I roll with you, girl?
He said he want to roll with me, yeah. Baby, can you go with me? Baby, can you go with me? Can you roll with me, yeah? Yeah. The way you love me, say yeah. The way you touching me, say yeah. Make your body say yeah. So the drivers want to watch it. Cause the drivers want to watch, yeah. Oh.
Okay, so I've got the wig installed now, and as you guys can see, like, listen, this hair is lush, like, it's so peng. When it comes to the lace, this is the Swiss lace, so it is pretty thin, and it literally just, where is the lace? Where is it? And all I used today when I installed the wig was hair mousse. I used my Afro G hair mousse to install the lace, to lay the lace down basically. So I just sprayed some on, and I used my elastic band, and then I used a bit of got to be spray like towards the tips, just to make sure that, you know, nothing is flipping up and stuff. But guys, I really like this wig. I love it. If you guys like this hair, let me know what you think. Look, the hair is so fluffy as well, guys. Like, look, because kinky hair obviously like is quite textured, so you think it would be stiff, but not this one. This one is moving. Listen. So yeah, I hope you guys like how this hair looks on me. I hope you like this hairstyle. It's not really me, but I thought let me just try something different, you know. Yes, so I'm gonna make sure to leave all the links that you guys need to know down below, so please make sure you check the description box for everything, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.